This is the Guardian 4-ton 13 SEER air conditioner. It's been a while since I've taped this thing, and it needs to be cleaned. I'll probably clean it spring before we turn it on. Yeah. Camera focus on. Dang, Dad. This is a 2007, and is a 4-ton once again. The energy guide did go right here. I was looking at a picture that I took of this thing when it was brand new, and the energy guide was right there. And it is a 13 SEER Guardian. This is a good system. There's the York. I don't know if we're going to replace the York next summer or not. When we do replace it, we're getting a Carrier Infinity unit. There's the compressor. Got an A.O. Smith motor. I'll take a video of these things running. I got a video of this thing on December 1st. Maybe it was November 30th. Starting up in cool mode. No, it's a straight cool unit. Because it was very warm that day. It's been a while since I've done a dedicated video on the Guardian, so I figured I'd do it right now. We have some time. Ooh, excuse me. You can see it's got 3 blades. It's just got regular blades. And it has no reversing valve or filter dryer. Oh, why did I say it? It has no reversing valve. I didn't mean to say that. I apologize. It has no filter dryers. There's the disconnect box that I accidentally broke back in August, or maybe it was July. I don't remember. New York. That is a Bristol reciprocating compressor. This one has Bristol reciprocating compressor as well, I think. I'm not really sure. And there is the neighbor's York 5-ton heat pump. That one is actually a heat pump because I saw it running in November one time when it was freezing cold, and I came out and felt the air, and it was cold coming out the top, and the section line was warm, so that's a heat pump. And, yep, that's the section heat pump. This thing is actually pretty quiet when it runs. And I guess I'll go take a look at these other 2 Guardians over here. But I have videos of running. There's the York. And I'll stay zoomed in. Guardians. Anyways, over and out.